Hello students, good morning. Jai Swaminarayan. All of you, welcome to class 4 in Agniya Green School. My name is Prajakta and I am your computer teacher. Now we will start lesson number 2, input and output device. But before starting our today's topic, first we will see what we had learned in this lesson in our last class. So now all of you look at in your textbook. So now all of you look at in your textbook. We will start lesson number 2, input and output device. But before starting our today's topic, first we will see what we had learned in this lesson in our last class. So lesson name is input and output device. So in this lesson we had learned which is the input device and which are the output device. So which input device? Keyboard, mouse that used for enter the data into the computer, means keyboard and mouse both are the input device. You can see monitor which it display the output. You can see monitor which it display the output, means monitor is the output device. Then CPU is not a input and output device. CPU is a processing device. CPU is the processing device. CPU is not a input and CPU is not a output device. CPU is a processing device. So whichever the work we are doing on our computer, that all work going to our going to our CPU box, and then after we are showing on our monitor screen. So that's why CPU is known as a processing device. Then printer, scanner, microphone, etc. connect to our computer. So we are that computer have a 4 main parts: keyboard, mouse, CPU and monitor. These are the 4 main parts of the computer. Then after we are connecting lot of parts our computer. For example, printer, scanner, microphone, then speaker. That parts we are connecting our computer. So which is the input and which is the output device? Now look at here. Device such as the keyboard and the mouse which help us enter data into the computer is called a input device. This is called a input device. Then device such as a monitor and a printer through which is the C output is called the output device. Monitors and printer who are giving the output, means this is the output device. Input and output device are together called a computer peripherals. Input and output, that both our device came together, so which is the form computer peripheral. So then after we had learned the which is the input device: keyboard, mouse, trackball, joystick, light pen, scanner, web camera, digital camera, microphone. That all is the input device. So keyboard, it is the commonly used. Keyboard is the main parts of the computer. Computer have a 4 main parts, so keyboard also main parts of the computer. So that keyboard is used for enter the data. Then after mouse is a pointing device. Mouse is known as the pointing device. Mouse is used for a point on a screen, and mouse also used for a drop picture. So mouse is also known as the input device. Then trackball and mouse both are the same. But different between the mouse and trackball. When we are using the mouse, so that time we are moving the mouse. But when we are using the trackball, that time we are keeping trackball at one place. Only we are moving whichever the balls on a trackball, where they have a one ball upside of the trackball. So that ball we are moving by using our finger. Then joystick also called a pointing device. Joystick also known as a pointing device. So joystick specially using when we are playing a game. Joystick is using specially when we are playing a game. So joystick also pointing device and joystick also input device. Then light pen also input device. So light pen using for a draw draw object, draw any pictures, otherwise we want to write anything, so that's why using a light pen. Light pen also input device. Then scanner also input device. So when we want to scan any pictures, any photos, any files, any documents, we want to take pictures, means a scanner allow you scan the transfer photos, hand draw picture takes your computer. So scanner using for when we want to take out photo in our computer, so that time we are using a scanner. Then next is the web camera. Web camera is a webcam, is web camera attached to a computer. Some laptop have a built-in webcams, so that laptop have already web camera is present in the laptop already. But when we are using the computer, so that time we want a web camera for attach our computer. Webcam is a camera attached to a computer. Some laptop have a built-in web camera. जो लैपटॉप होता है उसमें ऑलरेडी ही क्या होता है, वेब कैमरा लगा हुआ होता है. Then web camera also input device. Then next is the digital camera. Digital camera used for a take photo. Okay, digital camera used for a take photo or a video. So web camera also input device. Then microphone also input device, because microphone used for a record sound. Microphone is used for a record sound. Microphone is used to input record voice, sound and a music into a computer when we want to record our sound, our voice, so that's why we are using a microphone. Then output device, monitor, headphone, projector and printer, these are the output device. Output device means the device through which is the output from a computer is called output device. The device through which is see on our output is called a output device. So which are the output device? Monitor, headphone, projector and printer. So first is the monitor. Monitor is showing whichever the doing work on our computer. Monitor is showing whichever the work we are doing on our computer. So means monitor is a output device. Monitor is also known as the VTU. The output that we get on the monitor is called a soft copy. The output that we get on a monitor is called a soft copy. Then speaker. Speaker also output device. So speaker are used for play music and sound from a computer. Speaker are used to play music and a sound from a computer. Then headphone. Headphone and speaker have a same work, but when we are using the headphone, the sound is not going to another person. That sound is coming only that person whichever wearing a headphone. Then projector. Projector is display the output on the screen. Projector is display the screen on the outside. The screen can be whiteboard, white cloth, even a plain white wall. That screen, for that projector we need a whiteboard, white cloth, even a white wall. So then projector also output device. Then printer. Printer also output. So printer is using for when we want any things on a paper. We want any things on a paper. So that time we are using a printer. Whatever present in our computer, we want that things on our paper. So that time we are using the printer. Printer is deliver the output on the paper. So printer copy we get from the printer is called a hard copy. This is called a hard copy. So 4 types of the printer: dot matrix printer, inkjet printers, laser printers, dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser. These are the 3 types of the printer, not 4, 3 types of the printer. Then tricky terms. So now this is our lesson. Now all of you look at our tricky terms. So tricky term first is the keyboard. An input device used to type data or a instruction. Keyboard. An input device used to type data or a instruction. Keyboard is an input device that used to type data or a instruction. Then next is the mouse. An input device. An input device, basically a pointing device, move by hand around a flat surface. Mouse also input device, basically used for a pointing point on a monitor. Then it is for that mouse we need a flat surface. For that mouse we need a flat surface. Then trackball, an input device with a balls on the top that it roll with a finger to move the point on the screen. Trackball is an input device which a ball on the top the roll that finger to move pointer on the screen. Whichever the present ball in the upside of the trackball, we are using that ball for a roll. Then joystick, used to move object for a pointer on the screen. Used to move object or a pointer on the screen. Then light pen. Light pen also input device. Light pen also input device used to draw object directly on the screen. Used for draw object directly on the screen. Then scanner. Reads and the scan text and a picture directly into the computer. So read and scan text pictures directly into the computer. Then web camera, an input device used to take image which is viewed on the computer and transferred to the internet. An input device used to take image. Input device that used to take a image which is the view on computer transferred through a internet. Then digital camera, an input device used to take video with a sound, still, photography or both. Then video means visual display unit. Then soft copy, output on the video, whichever we are looking on the monitor, whichever we are looking on the video, this is called a soft copy. This is called a soft copy. Then speaker and headphone. Speaker and headphone both are the output device. Device used to give sound as a output. The sound is coming outside by using a speaker, and headphone means this is the output device. Then projector. Projector also output device. A device used to directly the output on the screen. The device used to direct. A device used to display the output on the screen. Then printer. A printer is used to take output on the paper. A printer device used to take output on the paper. Then hard copy, the output product on paper by a printer. The output product on paper by a printer. So this is called hard copy. So now all of you look at the next is the memory bytes. So first, a keyboard is a mostly commonly used input device. A keyboard is a most commonly used input device. Then second number, mouse, trackball, joystick and light pens are the pointing device. So already I informed that, underline this statement. A mouse, a trackball, joystick and light pens are all the pointing device. Then a joystick is used for a move object on the screen, usually while playing a game. Joystick is used for moving object on the screen, usually while playing a game. A web camera is used to input a series of images and transfer them through the internet. Web camera is used for a input series of images and transfer them through the internet. By using the internet, we are using web camera. Then a headphone is also used to play sound and music and a computer without other people hearing it. When we are using the headphone, so sound is coming that particular person, sound is not going to another person. A digital camera take photography and many nowadays also take video with a sound. A digital camera used for a photography, and nowadays digital camera also take a video with a sound. Microphone is used to input device voice into a computer. Microphone is used for recording a sound. Microphone is used for a recording sound. So this is the microphone. Now output device. A monitor or a video and a printer are commonly used output device. Monitor is also known as the video, and printer is commonly used for a output device. A video is similar to a TV. Video is similar to a TV and can be displayed both text and picture. Video is showing both pictures and text. A speaker is used to play sound and music from a computer. Speaker is used for play sound and music from a computer. Then a projector display the output on the screen. It is used to classroom teaching, giving a presentation and etc. Projector display the output on a screen. It is used for a classroom teaching, giving the presentation and etc. So this is our memory bytes. So now all of you look at here exercise. So question number first, filling the blanks with a correct word. Filling the blanks with the correct word. So which is the word? Monitor, joystick, input, hard copy and light fan. So first statement, the output from the printer is called, whichever we are getting output from the printer is called the hard copy. So first answer is hard copy. H-A-R-D, hard, C-O-P-Y. So whichever we are getting from a printer is called a hard copy. So first answer is hard copy. Filling the blanks is also known is called a video. Video is called a monitor. M-O-I-M-O-N-I-T-O-R, monitor. A monitor is also called a VDU. Monitor is also called VDU. A filling the blanks used to draw directly on the screen. What we are using? We are using a light pen. Draw a direct on the screen. When we are using the light pen, so that time we need a touch screen. Touch screen. So light pen is used to draw directly on a screen. Light pen spelling L-I-G-H-T, light, P-E-N, pen. A filling the blanks is used to play game on a computer. So when we want to play games on a computer, for that we need a joystick. J-O-Y-S-T-I-C-K, joystick. When we are playing game on our computer, that time we need a joystick. So this is the question number D. Statement number D. A keyboard is an filling the blanks device. Keyboard is the input device. Keyboard is the output device? No, keyboard is the input device. So answer is input. A keyboard is a input device. I-N-P-U-T, input, D-E-V-I-C-E, device, input device. So this is question number first. Now look at question number 2. Now again one thing, all of you listen. Question number 1, 2, 3. Question number 1, 2, 3. This you write in your textbook. But question number 4, describe type question, answer the following. This is write in your notebook. कहाँ पे लिखना है? नोटबुक में. जो फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स है, ट्रू फॉल्स है, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन है, इसको आपको कहाँ लिखना है? आपके टेक्स्ट बुक में ही लिखना है. लेकिन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 मीन्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 यहाँ पे लिखा है आंसर द फॉलोइंग. ये आपको नोटबुक में ही लिखना है, टेक्स्ट बुक में नहीं लिखना है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, राइट द T फॉर द ट्रू स्टेटमेंट एंड राइट द F for the false statement. The first number, the output on the monitor is called soft copy. The output on the monitor is called the soft copy. Yes, so this statement is the true. So whichever we are seeing on our monitor screen, this is called a soft copy. Then second number, A speaker is used to record sound. Speaker is used for a recording sound. This statement is false. So what is the using? Microphone using for a recording sound. But what is the speaker? So that's why this statement is the false. Then C number. A light pen is a output device. Light pen is the output device. This is the statement is false because light pen is the input device. We are using the light pen. We are giving instruction to a computer. We are by using a pen. We are draw a picture and we are writing anything. Means light pen is the input device, but here is output device, so this statement is false. Then D number. A joystick is used to move object or a pointing on the screen. Joystick is a move object, yes, and it is the pointing on the screen, yes, so this statement is true. VDU stand for visual display unit, yes, so this statement is true. So this is question number 2. Now question number 3. Choose the correct option. A device used to take a output on the paper. So which device used for a take print from the printout? Printer, monitor, joystick, and none of this. So printer is device used for take output on the paper. So first answer is printer. Then B number. An input device used to take video with sound and still photography. So which device used for a take photo and sound? Take photo video with a sound. So that's why we are using the digital camera. Option is printer, digital camera, scanner, and none of this. So answer is digital camera. Then C number. It reads and scans text and picture directly into the computer. Monitor, printer, scanner, and none of this. So answer is scanner. Scanner is used for a scan and read the text and picture directly into the computer. Then D number. Which of these is pointing device? Which are the pointing device? Mouse, keyboard, monitor, and printer. So mouse is a pointing device. The output on the monitor is called, what is called? The output on the monitor is called soft copy, hard copy, printout, or none of these. The output on the monitor screen is called a soft copy. This is called a soft copy. So this is our question number 3. Choose the correct option. Now all of you look at question number first, description type question. Answer the following question. So now look at first question. Differentiate between the hard copy and soft copy. What is the difference between the hard copy and soft copy? So hard copy, the printed copy that we get from the printer. The printed copy that we get from the printer is called the hard copy. And soft copy, the output that we get on the monitor. The output that we get on a monitor is called the soft copy. So which we are take out in our paper, this is called hard copy, and that we see on our monitor screen, this is called a soft copy. Then B number. Name the device that can use to take series of the image which can be viewed on a computer and transferred through the internet. So for that, which device using? Web camera is used to take series of image which can be viewed on the computer and transferred through the internet. So answer is B number, web camera. Name the device that can use to draw directly on the computer. So which device use draw picture directly on our computer screen? So light pen is used to draw directly on a computer screen. Light pen is used to draw directly picture on our computer screen. So C number answer is the light pen. Then question number D. Name the two pointing device. Name the two pointing device. Mouse, trackballs, joystick, then again light pen, that all the pointing device. Here have a two 2 pointing device, but I wrote here 3 names: mouse, trackball, joystick. Again, light pen, these are also pointing device. So mouse, trackball and joystick are the pointing device. Then E number. What is the output device? Name the 2 output device. What is the output device? It is device through which we see the output from the computer are called the output device. Output device, the device through which we see on the output from a computer are called the output device. Which device used for a see output from a computer is called the output device. So which output device? Printer, speaker, monitor are the output device. Which are the output device? Speaker, printer, monitor and headphone also output device. So these are the example of the output device. So this is our question answer. So that again one time, question number 1, object type question number 1, filling the blanks, true, false and choose the correct option. These question answer you write in your textbook. But question number D, description type A number, answer the following. There have a 5 question, A, B, C, D and E. These are you write in your notebook. Where you write in your notebook. So I hope all of you nicely understood our lesson. Then lesson number 3, more about Windows 7. So this we had learned our next period. Thank you and have a nice day.